Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to use Revolve command or Revolve cut command in Autodesk Inventor. So firstly draw a sketch. Let's draw some lines, 3 point arcs, and so this is our sketch. Now go to finish sketch and Revolve command. There is a window. This is first option is profile. This is our profile and this is axis. We have to give the axis to revolve feature. Okay, so go to origin and simply click y axis. So this is our sketch is revolved. Okay, here we have some options. We can give some angles to, let's see, 180 degree. Okay, go to again and edit feature, full. Normally we use full. Okay, so click full and okay. So this is our revolve command. Okay, if we want to cut, so we can use revolve cut. Okay, so simply go XY plane again and create a new sketch and draw a circle. Okay, finish sketch, simply go revolve again. This is our profile, and for axis click y axis, sorry, y axis, and this is our axis and this is our profile. So when we click OK, the uh, profile is add to our part. Okay, if we want to cut, edit feature and go there, second option, H to cut. So you can see our part is cut. Okay, so this is our revolve and revolve cut command. Hope you like it, so please share and subscribe my channel.